Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. On our Instagram page I posted this and I was asking the question, which order do you think that I use the flaxseed gels in order to enable there not to be flakes and different things like that. And today I'm going to show you what order I use it in. So again, the only three things that you're going to need are sheer gold, homemade flaxseed gel, and the oil of your choice. I'm using castor oil. I'm just going to section my hair into 3 sections per side. And so I forgot another thing. Obviously you're going to need the steamer. That's one of the key things that I've been doing this winter to keep my hair moisturized, is good old steamer. Now I feel comfortable to share with you the ones that we've been using because both me and Sarah have been using it. So when I do my hair, I actually have the steamer on just so the atmosphere is like a shower. The pores are open so all the ingredients can penetrate into your hair strands. So now it's time to reveal the order. So the order is this: the sheer gold, the flaxseed gel, and then the castor. Now this combination in that order has helped me to not have flakes or anything. Now someone may ask, what do you have in the gel? I don't have anything in this gel, literally just water and flaxseed, and that's it. And because of the moisturizing oils in the sheer gold, it really works well. Now if you see steam coming up, it's because the steam is on. So we're just going to get started because I don't want to waste this 10 minutes. So I'm going to begin at the back by taking it down. So I add the sheer gold, flaxseed gel, added it to the ends first. Now, like I said, when you're having the steam on, it's actually enabling the product to penetrate. So sometimes products just sit on top. So we understand that principle when it comes to deep conditioning. We always say to steam, etc. When it comes to styling, don't generally hear that. So that's just a tip that I've been using, or something that I've been doing, shall I say. And then I literally just get the bottle and I tip it upside down and I add that to this section. Now I'm going to add more when I'm going to twist, but I'm just doing this so I can detangle. So starting at the bottom, as you know, work your way up. And then I'm going to get a bit more of the castor oil. And now I'm going to twist. So I literally just put that twist in the steam. It's in the steam. I don't think you guys understand. So I quickly want to show you guys what I'm doing with the remainder of the flaxseed gel. As you know, it doesn't have any preservatives in it when you make it. You can add your own natural preservatives if you like, but I'm just going to freeze them and see how it turns out. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I do. It's so simple. Just add some of the flaxseed gel to the empty freezer, like ice cube container. So yeah, so I finished my hair, but I decided to put my headscarf on to show you kind of what it looks like if you do your edges just a little bit. And yeah, what my hair turned out like, or not the full like twist out, but just the twists. So let's see. So here we have it. As you can see, my hair looks moisturized, it's clean, it's fresh. So all I'm gonna do, let me just get my headband, just tie my hair back. I'll usually leave this for about 2-3 days, maybe 2 days. 2 days, and then I might spritz with water or use the steam if I feel that I need to. So today's Thursday, so tomorrow I'm gonna leave it and then I'll mostly take it out on Saturday. So yeah, this is my hair done. So I've got the twist all beautiful. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you try out your flaxseed gel in this order, please let us know. And also, if you want to purchase our sheer gold, which was a major part of this tutorial, there's a link in the description box below. So I always suggest to people to try and maintain your hair in the winter, because once you get through winter, you will be able to get through the rest of the seasons. And winter is obviously the most trying, but it is possible. So all the things that I've mentioned, I'll leave a link in the description box below, including the actual steamer. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a blessed 2018. Take care. Bye.